Don't know why you left me bleeding. With a broken heart, tell me if I deserve. It got me thinking now, should I take it or leave it out? It got me thinking now, and now I don't know why you left me.
Halo, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jumpa lagi dengan Bang DJ. Kita telah sampai di Pantai Cermin atau Pantai Ulele. Oke, check it out.
Had something special till you end up all this way.
Nah, di sini ada banyak tempat berenang, becak air, kuliner, spot selfie, bahkan tempat memancing. Nah, yang suka-suka hobi seperti itu boleh merapat ke Pantai Cermin atau Pantai Ulele. Oke, check it out.
Me, I thought that you need me till you end up all this way.